Hello, everyone. Welcome to this course on installation and commissioning of electromechanical equipment. I am Lu Min from Huagong Power. Today, we will study Chapter 1, Electrical Control of Automatic Punching Equipment, HMI Power Supply Circuit. We'll delve into this topic from several key aspects. Now, let's clarify the learning objectives for this lesson. First, introduce you to the HMI power supply circuit, helping you understand its components and how it works. Second, provide an overview of the HMI's functions and highlight some important considerations for practical use. Let's take a look at the electrical control schematic. Here, we use Siemens electrical control system as an example. The electrical control part mainly includes an electrical control cabinet, which is composed of several modules: the power control module, stepper motor drive module, servo motor drive module, programmable controller module, variable frequency drive module, and HMI module. These modules work in concert to achieve control of the equipment. 1. HMI power supply circuit. Now, let's focus on the HMI power supply circuit. It all starts with the 24-volt power source, which connects to switch SA1. This is the first switch in the control system power supply, playing a crucial role in controlling the power supply to the entire system. Once SA1 is turned on, it provides a 24-volt DC power supply to devices such as the PLC and the HMI. At this point, light 1 illuminates, indicating that the power supply circuit is functioning properly in providing stable power support for the operation of the HMI and other devices. 2. Functions and usage of the HMI. Let's move on to the functions and usage of the HMI. We use the Siemens Smart HMI, specifically the Smart 700 model, as a human-machine interface. It serves as a bridge for two-way communication between the operator and the machine equipment. Users can freely combine text, buttons, graphics, numbers, and other elements on the HMI to achieve processing, monitoring, and management of the equipment, and to adapt to changing information in real time. However, there are some important points to remember when using the HMI. First, ensure there is sufficient space for all connecting cables outside the HMI device to avoid difficulties in connection or damage to the device due to insufficient space. Second, when installing the HMI device, make sure that the personnel, workbench, and the entire device are properly grounded. This is to ensure the safety of the operator and the normal operation of the equipment. Lastly, when connecting the power supply, be sure to use only a DC 24-volt power source. Using a power source with a different voltage may damage the HMI. 3. Summary. By the end of this lesson, I hope you will have a solid grasp of the HMI power supply circuit, what it's made up of, and the role each part plays. Also, get familiar with the HMI's functions and the key points to keep in mind when using it. Going forward, this knowledge will help you operate and maintain HMI devices properly, keeping the equipment running smoothly. Lastly, please complete the exercises after class. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next class.